Did you say it today 100 times? Did you plan to say it 100 times? Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he taught us that in our adhkar al-sabah wal-masa, we're supposed to say, لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له له الملك وله الحمد وهو على كل شيء قدير 100 times. This 100 times could be divided during the day and the night. They don't have to be consecutive. You can say 50 in the day and 50 in the afternoon. But in one day you say it 100 times. And what's the result? Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he says, number one, it is equal in reward to as though you have freed 10 slaves from the children of Ismail. Number two, Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam says, it earns a person 100 hasanat. Well, hasanah is precious in Ramadan. Number three, it wipes away 100 sayyat. Who among us commits 100 sins a day? Yani the idea is, even if you're committing 100 sins, there's your solution. Every morning, to say it 100 times. And it will clean these 100 sins of yours. And then it raises a person 100 levels in the paradise. And then you are the best of mankind on the day of judgment, except someone who has said it more than you. He deserves to be in number one position.